Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to use virtual background in Zoom on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to log in with your Zoom account and then enter a Zoom meeting. Once you are in the meeting, click on Zoom and then tap on the screen to expose the toolbar. Afterwards, click on More and then click on Background and Filters. Then here, you can see the different background and filters of Zoom. Also, you may upload a photo so that it will be a new background. Example, I will choose this one, then simply click on the X button. And then that's it. That's how you can use virtual background and Zoom on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.